Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the real, the authentic, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And here we have an episode of Burgh Unboxing. Now, I've already gone through the envelope, as I do all envelopes, to make sure that it's legitimate, not a prank. But I got something in from Amazon yesterday. I have no idea who sent this, but I thank you very much for sending it. Now, this is not electric in that you could not plug it in, but this is a 3D illusion lamp, and you open it up, and you have, and, what is this? Oh, it is a cover. Okay, you have an alien head, so I will remove the plastic covering. I thought it was broken for a moment. And it wants to stick to the plastic. It does not want to leave its home. So you have this, and then there's a piece of cardboard, and then you have a little remote control and a USB remote control, USB cord, and the base. Hard to do this. We need 3 hands sometimes. And you place this in the base. And then there is an instruction book, or instruction sheet actually. And then you have to put a battery in the bottom. And there's the USB connector. Let us see. Hey, caramba. Let me see here. Do not touch the plate surface with your fingers, which I've already done. And, oh, it says it has a way to 5-volt USB cable connect to PC or adapter, but I don't see any. It may be able to be plugged in. There is something in the back here. I have no idea what this is, and they don't tell you. It's a little hole, but it does require batteries. So let's see if I can get 4 batteries here, and hope they're not AAA, because I am always short of AAA batteries for some reason. Everything uses AAA rather than AA. AA by a lot of them. I can't. Superfluity. Tried to say it. I can't say it. All right. This has 4. No, 3. 3. It should stand corrected. 3. And there it is. And you can. I will turn off the light. And I will turn off this light, or unplug this light. I have to put a switch in this plug to keep it from. So I keep unplugging it, plugging it all the time. And different colors. And I'll take this with me to UFO Con. I can connect it to my MacBook. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Carefully. See how I can get this back in here. keep the extra batteries in this jar, this Welch's jelly jar, so I don't keep looking for them. All right, let's connect this up to my USB port. Turn the light on again for a minute. YouTube can see me. This light keeps switching on and off. I gotta get that repaired one day. All right. Pouring rain here in Martinez right now, by the way. Not outside. Mama Cat and Kitten came upstairs, gave them wet food, and gave them dry food. All right, and okay, so there it is. That's much better, much brighter too. Let's shut this off. I seem to have had the one with the changing colors here. I didn't know. Let's try the remote. See if the remote has a battery in it or not. There's a tab you remove. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Oh, that's okay. And it cycles through the different colors. So this is kind of cool. It does the same thing, and it looks very similar to the other one. I think it's a little brighter, frankly. But I'll take this to UFOCon along with the other things I'm going to take. By the way, I'm not buying the iPad. The guy was being a real jerk. I was going to pay him for his gasoline, his bridge toll from Marin County, and he did not want to take me the 4 blocks required to go to a Wi-Fi hotspot, and expected me to pay for Uber or a taxi cab. And I don't think that's very reasonable behavior, considering I was going to have to give him $25 or $30 more. And the current information is Apple is coming out with a new iPad for 2020 in March or June, in time for the developers conference. They do their new product announcements in March. So what I'm going to do is just save up for the new iPad and just buy the new iPad when it comes out, assuming it isn't $800 or something. So let's play with this a little more. If I can get this to well, let's go on for 12 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours. There we go. Okay. And there you go. You change the thing. So and you can increase the speed. I've done something to it, or it's not. Anyway, thank you for this, whoever sent it. I appreciate it greatly. I will take this to UFOCon and any other events I go to. And this will give me another one for the bedroom when I start doing videos in the bedroom. And this could eventually sit next to my, when I get a newer Mac, this will sit on the desktop. So I'm quite happy to get this. Thank you for this and the 3D lamp illusion. So I was really surprised to get this, and I really appreciate it. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay dry, warm, cool, or wet. Hopefully dry and warm and not being out in the pouring rain. I'm going to just sit here and watch this flash for a while. And have fun, people, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.